Hi. Let's learn about home equity. Home equity is the value of a homeowner's financial interest in their home. In other words, it is the actual property's current market value less any liens that are attached to that property. The amount of equity in a house fluctuates over time as more payments are made on the mortgage and market forces impact the property's current value. Home equity can represent more than a mortgage loan being paid off. It is an asset that homeowners can borrow against to meet important financial needs such as paying off high-cost debt or paying college tuition. The interest rate on home equity-based borrowing is typically lower than that on credit cards and personal loans because the funds are secured by the equity. So the equity in your home can be a smart source of funds. Plus, interest on such borrowing is generally tax-deductible if funds are used to improve the home. If a portion, or all, of a home is purchased via a mortgage loan, the lending institution has an interest in the home until the loan obligation has been met. Home equity is the portion of a home's current value that the owner possesses at any given time. Equity in a house is initially acquired with the down payment that you make when you buy the property. After that, a homeowner's equity continues to grow as mortgage payments are made. That's because a specific portion of each payment is assigned to reduce the outstanding principal that you still owe. Another way equity grows is from the appreciation of your property's value. Equity is the difference between what a home is worth and what's owed on a mortgage loan. To calculate your home equity, first get an estimate of your home's value by taking a look at what homes like yours in your neighborhood have recently sold for. Say that figure is $350,000. In addition, obtain the figure for the balance of your loan from your lender. Again, let's say that's $150,000. With those figures, here's the calculation. If a homeowner purchases a home for $100,000 with a 20% down payment, the owner has equity of $20,000 in the house. If the house's market value remains constant over the next 2 years, and $5,000 of mortgage payments are applied to the principal, the owner would possess $25,000 in home equity at the end of the 2 years. If the home's market value had also increased by $100,000 over those 2 years, and that same $5,000 from mortgage payments were applied to the principal, the owner would then have home equity in the amount of $125,000. Unlike some investments, home equity cannot be quickly converted into cash. That's because the equity calculation is based on a current market value appraisal of your property. That appraisal is no guarantee that the property would sell at that price. However, an owner can leverage their home equity as collateral in a variety of ways to secure low-cost funds for their financial needs. Here are some of them. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. Home equity is the current market value of your home, minus any liens such as a mortgage. 2. You can leverage your home equity in the form of collateral to tap into cash in the form of a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit. 3. When you put a down payment on a house of 20% or more, you automatically add to your equity in the home. 4. A smaller down payment means a larger mortgage and less home equity right off the bat. 5. The equity in your home may fluctuate for many reasons, including the rise and fall of overall market value in your community. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.